Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Hindi online class. Today we are going to learn about Barakadi. It means consonants with vowel symbols. You know what's in a Barak? Barak means 12. Barak 12. Here 12 symbol stands. We have this one, Swarakshar. Terak. There are 13 vowels in Hindi. Terak. Swarakshar 13 हैं. So there will be 13 symbols must come now. But the first one there is no symbol. So 12 symbols will come. So its name become Barakadi. Barakadi. 12 symbols will be there. If you know that 12 symbols, you can write Barakadi. Now listen here. From this letter, if you all know well, I think this Swarakshar. So from here I will give the symbols. Look here. No symbol. In the A, no symbol. Okay, there is no symbol. But in the A, listen, this symbol, this A ki matra. This is A ki matra. We have to take this symbol, A symbol. Okay, next here E. Just remember, for remembering only I am telling, there is no rules, this and that, like this need to make. But I am telling for this remembering. From this E, you can take the E symbol. Listen, E. We will start like this, no? This one we have to take just like this. This is E symbol. Next, the E symbol, see here, we will write this E like this. So you take this, remember this, start from here. Then this is the E symbol. Next, the U, look, the U we will write like this, the down part, this way, this is the U symbol. Look here, we have to write here U. Now, if I write Ka, can write here, U symbol. This is the U symbol, look here, the U, we'll put this now here, this U symbol, this is the U symbol. Okay, you can write like this also, U symbol. Next, ear symbol, look here, this is the ear symbol. Okay, next here the A, look, this ear we will be writing like this. So this down part you have to take, ear symbol, ear. Next A symbol, look, this one, this A is there, take this one, you have to take and put it up, A symbol. The left side we have to write like this, left side, A symbol. Next the I symbol, take, this is the I. Many of them used to say this A, this is not A, I. Okay, this one and this one we have to take here. This is the I symbol. Next O symbol, you take this. From this symbol we have to take from here, O symbol. Now this is we have to take from here this O symbol. Now this is the symbol, this is the Aga symbols. I have written here 12 symbols. The 12 symbols is here Barakadi. So consonants with vowel symbols. Tamil we will learn like this one, ik plus aka, ik plus aka, ik plus aka. This is also the same way only, but with symbol we are learning easily. Now listen here, I am making this akaka kiki now here. Ik plus a, this is ik. Already I said this ik and this ik is same. This is the ik. Actually this is the மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். Kaka, gaga, na is the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். We have studied the consonants. You know consonants means in English, the stress will be there. Okay, A, B like this. Swarakshar means the vowels, it will be coming free from the mouth. Vyanjanakshar, consonants will come with the help of Swarakshar, the vowels. So ik plus a, with the help of only we will get the Vyanjanakshar. So ik plus a is the ka. Ik plus a, ka. So this is ka. There is no symbol. Ik plus a, ka. Next ik plus a, like Tamil it is ik plus a is the ka. Here ka. We can write this. Next line I am writing ik plus a, ka. Ik plus a, ka. Next ik plus e, what? Ki. Ik plus e, ki. Ik plus a, ka. ka. Ikku plus a ka. There is no symbol. Here this is the symbol. Here this is the symbol. Is symbol. Now key. This is the key. Look here. After writing all the symbols, everything, we have to put up line. Okay. Next E symbol. Ikku plus this. Ikku plus E key. The symbol is this one. Ikku plus E key. Ikku plus E key. Next ikku plus this U symbol. Ikku plus U. Ku. Ikku plus U. Ikku plus U. Ku. This one. Ikku plus U ku. Ikku plus U ku. Next word ikku plus ear kir. Ikku plus ear what? Kir. Ka. This symbol we have to write the symbol ear kir. Okay. Ikku plus ear kir. Ikku plus ear kir. Next word ikku plus a k. Ikku plus a k. Ikku plus a k. Ikku plus I what? Ikku plus I kai. Ikku plus o. Ikku plus o ko. Ikku plus o ko. Ikku plus au cow. Ikku plus come. Ikku plus aha kaha. Listen here. Here the symbol. This one U symbol, ear symbol, A symbol, I symbol, O symbol, Au symbol, symbol, Aga symbol. Tamil the symbols will change, but here won't change. All the letters the same symbols only. So we are learning the symbols separately. So this ki, ku, kir, k. Next kai, I symbol, kai. Ikku plus I kai. Ikku plus o ko. Ikku plus au this symbol cow. Ikku plus this symbol come. Ikku plus aha this symbol kaha. Okay. Ka, ki, ku, kir, ke, kai, ko, cow, kam, kaha. You can look like this. Ik. This is ik. This is ka. Ikku plus a ka. Ikku plus a ka. Ikku plus e ki. Ikku plus e ki. Ikku plus u ku. Ikku plus ir kir. Ikku plus a k. Ikku plus I kai. Ikku plus o ko. Ikku plus au cow. Ikku plus kam. Ikku plus aha kaha. Like this you have to write all the letters. Just you have to remember the symbols and this Vyanjanakshar. If you know the Vyanjanakshar and these symbols, you can write this Barakadi. Okay? Listen here now. Next the ka. Suppose how you have to write ka. This ka. Next this is ka. Next ka. The E symbol ki. This is ka. E symbol ki. Ik. U symbol ku. This ka u symbol ku. Khir. This is k. Khai. Ho. Cow. Come. Kaha. Next g. G. Ig plus a g. Ig plus a ga. Ig plus the g. Look here. The straight line. Where is the straight line? There only you have to put the symbol. Okay. Suppose if it is this, if it is ka, pa, the straight line only we have to put the symbol. Some of them used to do mistake here. Here they will start. You should not do like this. The last gi. Next gi. This is gu. gu, gir, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gah. Next letter gh, 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 gi, घी, घू, घू, घ, गे, घई, गो, घौ, गम, गह. Next nga, nga, ni, ni, mu, mu, nge, nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, ngam, ngah. So now while writing, suppose if you not put this dot, the letter will be become da. So carefully you have to put this dot here in the side. Nga, nga, ni, ni, mu, ngir, nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, ngam, ngah. Next. Next, many of them know to write this, but don't know to say. When we are asking the letter, if I give this letter, you must know to say ga. If I ask this letter, you must know to say go. So don't say in that time ga ga. For that you have to read all the letters. You have to write all the letters. Then only you can remember that. Next letter cha, cha. This one chi. Next chi, chu. This is chu, chir, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, chah. Next letter cha, 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 chi, chi, chu, chu, chir, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, chah. Next ja, cha, cha, ja, 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 ji, ji, ju, ju, jir, je, jai, jo, jau, jam, jah. Next letter nya. Sorry. जे, जय, जो, जव, जम, जह. Next letter ja. This is ja. This is ja. Ja, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, j, je, jai, jo, jau, jam, jah. Next, which letter? Nya. Nya, nya, ni, ni, nyu, nyu, nye, Nye, Nyai, Nyo, Nyao, Nyam, Nyaha. Next. Ta, this ta, ta, ti, ti, two. This is two. Listen here. While writing this two, here should not touch. Without touching, you have to write. Two, tir, te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. Next, ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tir, te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. Next letter da. Da, da, di, di, do, do, di, de, dai, do, dau, dum, dah. Next letter dha. This is da, this is da. Don't read like this. Ta, itta, ta, itta, da. If you read like this, here will be reading problem will be in reading. Listen. Ta, you will read this one. Itta, itti, itti like this. Should not read like this. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu. Da, da, di, di, do, do. Here da, dha, di, di, do, do, di, de, dai, do, dau, dum, dah. Next na, na, ni, no, ni, nu, nu, ni, ne, nai, no, now, nam, nah. Like this you have to write all the letters. Okay, now listen. Again one letter I am giving. You have to complete in the classroom booklet all the letters I have given in the PDF. So you have to watch this to read. Okay. Now listen here. This Ra, how you have to write? Ra, how you have to write? Ra, Ra, Ri, next Ri. This is Ru. Listen. Every letter we will be writing down this simple, but we have to put inside. Ru, Ru. This letter won't be there. Rir won't be there. This way we are writing. So rir won't be there. There you have to put dash. Re, rai, ro, rau, ram, rah. Okay. Now like this sha, how you have to write this sha? Sha, sha, she, like this. She, shu, shu, shir, she, this shir, she, shai, sho, shau, sham, sah. Next listen, this tha, how you have to write? Tha and tha. This tha, And this the, how you have to write. Look, very careful. Almost many of them used to write like this. They'll full cover. Should not write like this. The. While writing T, you have to put this line here. Okay, it will, here will be it open. T, tu, tir, te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. The same way this the also. The, di, du, de, dai, do, dau, dum, dah. Now I think you are clear. So you have to write all the letters. 33 consonants are there now. With that 33 consonants you have to write with these symbols. You will get the Bharatari. Okay. Write and read well. If you write, just you can write. But if you read only, you can read the words after. It will be helpful to read you. So please read all, watch the video and read well after you write in the booklet. Okay. Dhanyavad.